mainly what consumers are concerned with. How many times do I wear my piece of apparel before we start seeing changes in the fabric's appearance? And this is the reason why many consumers would discard the piece. And then how many rotations does it take for a fabric to have a hole? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I learned today what type of fabric should be used for certain products. So it is mainly useful for designers, apparel designers, yeah.
Great tip.
There is, oh yeah, it seems like it's, let me see. It's sometimes just the yarns could be shifting, you know, but I think it's going to be definitely here. Seems like it's very stubborn, but it's almost there. So almost 50 rotations. I mean, almost 60 probably. Okay, so you definitely have holes now. Okay, so it took 55 rotations for a hole. Remember those properties? So today you will be able to determine whether your fabric is stronger when wet or stronger when dry as compared to your partner's fabrics. So what you will be looking for, how many pounds does it take for your fabric to break, and then also elongation values. Elongation meaning how much will the fabric stretch before it breaks. 68. So your fabric is definitely stronger when wet. Here's the hem.
So it did disintegrate?
Didn't. No, not yet. But you will see. Yeah, and that's your cotton, or what are you? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I can't.
It's very weak. They were examining how much the fabric will deteriorate when in soil. So they were basically testing the biodegradability of different fabrics. Look what happens to cellulosic. So if you leave a garment in a window display made out of rayon, that's what could happen after a month. So you should definitely not leave it there that long. It's more of a comparative study. So today was just one of those days when we had to take a piece down from the window, compare it to the control sample, which has not been exposed to sun.